How to thread a webbing belt buckle. First of all, look at the buckle. You will see there's a bridge on top. That is the correct way to start with. This is the wrong way, with the bridge below. So start with the bridge on top. You take your web underneath the first slat closest to the clips, pull it through, up and over the bridge and into the second slat. Okay, there, it's solid. To loosen it, just pull the loose end and it will come out. Remember, I'll do it one more time. Bridge on top, through the slat closest to the clips, up and over and back under. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.